Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this flip up card. So it is super cute and it's super easy. Isn't that adorable? And I've got the little I love you there. I made a smaller one. All the hearts can flip up. This one's a little stiffer. So there, get the last heart flipped up. You can write a cute little message there, but let's head over to Design Space and find out how to make this. Okay, so you can see that I already have my template for the smaller one that I made. Just to give you an idea of how simple this is, I am going to create another shape. I'm going to unlock it, and I'll make it the same size as the smaller heart one. I'll go to 10.5. We'll give this a yellow color. So I have altogether 4 score lines there. So just create one score line, size it, and then keep duplicating it, getting it attached. I'm going to go the easy way on this one and detach everything there, including the pull letter writing. And there, so let's move this guy to the back. Instead of hearts, let's do some leaves. We should be able to find some cute ones here. Just simple shapes to cut out with fall right around the corner. I think this would be super cute. Just looking for more, again, fall-like leaves. I've got 7 there, and that's all I'll need. Now we'll just have to quickly size them. It came in really big. I'll put them all at 2.75 for the width. This one I'll probably put on a bit of an angle, so I'll do the height at 2.75. Same with this one. And this one. There's the other 2. I don't know why Design Space brought them in so big like that, but it does weird stuff sometimes. So there. We've got our leaves there. I'm not going to do any type of scalloped edge. I've got a few different colors, but I'm just going to put these all the same color and go through my scrap cardstock and find the appropriate colors that I'll need. So I'm going to get this cut out and we will build it. Okay, everything is cut out. I've got everything I need here to put the card together. Got the main part of the card, the leaves. I've got this pretty green ribbon, very close in color to my main part of my card, and it's got a little cute sparkle to it. I've just got my craft bond glue and my bone folder. So we're gonna fold in all of our score lines. You don't need a bone folder for this, but it definitely helps you get crisper fold lines. And I'm going to give them a really good fold over. You want to make sure you do this part. It will make it easier to pull the card. So remember, we put 8 score lines because we're going to attach 7 leaves. There, everything's got good folds to them. If you want, you can just give it a fold the other way as well, just so it's more pliable. Okay. Now figure out what order you want your leaves to go in. And we're going to be gluing from bottom to top. So I'm going to start with the little one. And you're just going to add a little bit of glue to the top tips. Just enough to adhere it. Glue it underneath, so you're gluing it above the first score line and underneath the next score line. I don't want my yellows to be together, I want them separated. I'm going to put that's a little bit too much glue on that one. Just use my finger to pull excess off. Because you only want it glued to the paper, not to the card stock below it. I'm going to do him that way. I think that looks pretty good. You can wipe off the excess glue, that's no problem. And again, just figure out how you want each one to be attached and how you want it to look. Okay, I'm going to give this a second to dry, and then we'll go on to the next step. Okay, giving the card a few minutes to dry. So the next step is the ribbon. So the ribbon is not glued to any of the paper. It's just glued around it. I'm just getting it under the last leaf there. Flip this over. So line it up as straight as possible, and you're just going to glue the two ends of the ribbon together. Make it snug, but not super tight. You've got to leave some leeway in the ribbon, some slack, so you can pull on the card there. Okay, the glue has dried. I ended up using double-sided tape for the ribbon on this one. This is more of a, almost feels like a muslin fabric versus this, which is a satin fabric. So the satin fabric and craft glue, it works fine. This kind of more cotton or muslin, like it almost feels, it's a pretty rough feeling. The glue just did not want to stick. So keep that in mind. Hot glue would probably be a good one to use if you've got that handy, but let's see this one work. There's all the leaves flipping up, and there's the last leaf. You could put cute little sayings on all of the leaves there. You could have a saying there, whatever the card's about. This one again, I use different color papers for all the hearts. And I think this is just so cute. And then the last one, I made these hearts really big, and they actually cover the pole part that I wrote in there. But again, to show you the ribbon is only attached to itself. And it just goes around the two pieces, and you tuck it underneath the bottom heart or leaf or whatever pattern design you have there, and you just start pulling. And you could write something on every heart here. You know, I just added in the I love you at the bottom because I think that looks super cute. So what do you think? Is this a card that you'll make for someone? I hope so. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I truly appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Until next time.